Welcome to the ultimate failure. These are the most legendary worker fails ever caught on camera. Warning, you may laugh, cringe, or question reality itself. Let's roll the tape and dive into disaster. Boom, an accidental glass fireworks show that leaves your buddy soaked in pain and dreams shattered. A surprise dust storm hits like the end of the world, swallowing 2 workers in a blink. A fine art performance of pure destruction, worth a fortune in broken dreams. The guys on the roof probably dropped their hearts and souls. When the concrete floor decides to keep your tools as souvenirs, this poor guy's trying his best to save that helpless squeegee. Hang in there, buddy. Perfect calculations, straight into your own house. The soundtrack to a personal disaster. No. Dual-wielding screw guns like a boss, or just double the wrist pain and triple the ridiculousness.
Spider welder in action. The most uncomfortable working pose in the solar system. Is it passion for the job or workplace yoga? Hell-level underground spring. Black sludge erupts like the Earth's angry tantrum. Warning, not for the faint of heart.
Nailed the demolition right down to the last inch and took out the power grid with a bang. Precision chaos at its finest. Oh. Truck versus power line. The unfair fight. When the driver forgets how tall his truck is and challenges the entire electrical system to a tug of war. Construction site massage chair. Full throttle mode. This guy's getting shaken to the core. Is that a smile or a silent scream? Excavator meets train in a showdown of epic misjudgment. Parked in the wrong spot? Now it's scrap metal art. Pile driver says, "I quit." The poor guy's begging it to let go. But like an ex who won't move on, that thing's got commitment issues. Forklift's hide-and-seek game ends in heartbreak. Just an inch from glory, or total disaster. Someone definitely miscalculated. One gentle cut, and the whole tower comes crashing down like a monster roar. That guy better have VIP body insurance. Street washing gone rogue. One truck floods the avenue while the other barely drizzles. The teamwork is so off, it's suspicious. Gravity wins again. A bold jump, a back-first landing, and a memory that'll last forever. When you trust your teammate, and he aims a sledgehammer at your hand, that smack might be a bone. Breakfast, builder style, spreading Nutella with a masonry trowel. Is it genius multitasking or just missing cutlery? Either way, tasty. A flying metal sheet turns into a wrecking ball from hell. The delicate construction below didn't stand a chance. Calm day turns chaotic as the tractor breaks into an impromptu breakdance. Who's driving who here? Absolute mayhem. Excavator horn, but make it luxury toy edition. That beep beep screams rich kid energy. Opening a beer with a chainsaw? Firefighter of the Year? And possibly the galaxy. Terrifyingly awesome. Tree cutting with the aim east, fall west technique. Homeowner said, "Somebody save me." Is he plastering or wrestling the wall? Even the wall's begging, "Please, have mercy." Secret start button for the excavator? Or did he just randomly poke it and hope? Extreme spinning ride, excavator edition. Who's got the guts to hop on? Handmade bricks plus ASMR vibes equals oddly satisfying to the max. Dust storm strikes again. Episode N. These guys probably have it on their calendar. Sliding down a drainage ditch with a shovel. Fast, fun, and fantastically filthy. 10. Straw baler turned bowling champ. Hay flying like it's on a mission. Forklift wrestles with a runaway tire. Tires like, "You'll never catch me." Excavator water park drop. That landing? Chef's kiss, chaotic perfection. Burning a dummy or throwing a whole festival into the flames? That fire's got Michael Bay energy. Water pipe turns into a giant wriggling monster. Run before it gets angry. Paint war, full body coverage, 10 out of 10. Would not recommend for job interviews. Harvesting matcha powder? So soft, so green, so weirdly mesmerizing. Window commits financial suicide. The sound of shattered glass and broken savings. Painful. Human domino effect. One bump and bam, the whole squad's down. Taking out the trash, on top of the world. Courage or just too much free time? Wall plastering turned into a masterclass. It's not just a job, it's an art form. Wrestling with a plastic bag. Simple task, epic struggle. Why is this so hard? Why? Special delivery. Chimney, free shipped, straight to the living room. Anyone want to sign for that? Warehouse skateboard racing. Boss is out, so the boys are wildin'. Excavator plus crane equals self-destruct combo. That's one expensive oopsie. Truck learning to drift? My heart's doing the lambada. Cutting bread with a circular saw, construction crew's lunch hits different. Cowboy car painting skills. Messy, fast, and emotionally damaging. Homemade bulldozer. Go, little panda, go! You got this. Excavator grabbing a water bottle with surgeon-level precision. Who needs hands? Fireplace demolition with bonus basement hole. Downstairs neighbors. What in the...
That kind of messed with the basement. Oh, we could just leave it down there, I guess.
Lawn mowing with a mechanical T-Rex. Grass never stood a chance. Playing Jenga with the wall and losing big time. That guy laughing? Definitely the culprit.
Was this actually long?
Carrying wood right into a swamp dive. 10-10 mud bath, zero grace. Taking out the trash via ladder ended in glorious chaos. Salty tears included. Painting the ceiling from a wheelbarrow. Teamwork makes the fail work. Silo tipping like it's bowing to Mother Earth. The slow fall made it 10 times scarier. Struck a water pipe jackpot. Urban geyser unleashed. Evacuate. Scraping paint or giving the house a shave. That's what I call passion. Excavator butt massage service, surprisingly soothing. Excavator popping wheelies with a water show bonus. Driver be like, run! Smoothing concrete like silk. Oddly satisfying to watch. Hand pallet jack racing ends in a dramatic head-holding regret moment. Oof! Tree cutting with a surprise mudslide bath. Boom! Instant spa day. Excavator playing tag, but he went splat, face first. Lady sweeping under an active excavator, bravest job on earth, hands down. Stacking containers like dominoes, then they all come crashing down. That's expensive.
Looks like the forklift driver tried to swap loads in one go. Well, then
Bricklaying yoga style. Headstand while working. Core strength, max. Excavator saves the pup. Rescue fairy of love. Heart, Sarah melted. Desert toe gone wrong. That cable snapped like a firecracker. DIY drone with a saw blade? Bold move, just don't lose a limb. Wind turbine blade drops like a UFO. Surprise from the sky. Epic fail combo. Slippery bricks, falling hose, and a toilet install gone so wrong. Beyond saving.